Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam Sir. I am Kay Andrea Tulagan, 27 years old, married, high school graduate. I had experience in Makati City, Philippines as a helper, 3 years, finished contract.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities as a helper are taking care of child, washing clothes, ironing, and all household works.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby, and an elderly?
I will take good care of them by cooking food for them, feeding them, and make sure they are all healthy.
Please tell us some of your skills.
Madam Sir, I can cook Filipino food and I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Madam Sir, it is necessary to be a hardworking person, honest, fast learner, God-fearing, multitasking, and taking good care of kids as my own.
Anything else you want to tell your future employer? Can I tell them now?
To my future employer, I promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you and God bless. Hope to see you.